Ever wonder why your Dyson V8 suddenly hates its job? One minute you're cleaning like a pro, and the next, it's dying faster than your phone at 1% during a long flight. You think, just a tired battery lah. Stop! Don't blame the charger yet. What if I told you your vacuum is actually screaming for help? Here's the fun fact you didn't ask for. Your vacuum is literally suffocating. When that filter gets caked in dust, your motor has to work quadruple time just to pull a tiny bit of air. It's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a soggy napkin. All that extra effort generates massive heat. That heat doesn't just fry your battery, it actually causes the plastic housing to expand and contract until, boom, you've got a cracked motor cover. Now, your premium vacuum is leaking suction and sounding like a dying jet engine. Pro tip: you should wash your filter every month and avoid using max mode for everything. But let's be real, if you're already seeing these symptoms, the damage is internal. Thinking of a DIY fix? Careful! One wrong move with a screwdriver and you'll snap a delicate internal clip. Or worse, buy a cheap knockoff battery that's a fire hazard waiting to happen. Misdiagnosis is the fastest way to turn a repairable tool into a $500 piece of trash. Just look at this Dyson V8 from one of our customers. His machine was literally screaming and cutting out. After our RoboCare Total Revive service, new battery, fresh motor cover, and a deep internal clean, it's back to a full 40-minute runtime and purring like new. Why stress over a DIY disaster when RoboCare can do it right the first time? We don't just fix parts, we restore performance and your peace of mind. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.